I'm in. I took 79, 40, where is it? 44. All right, I took half AMD off for a plus a penny, not worth really talking about, but it's more just to take a little risk off. It wasn't anything other than that. I added on AMD. It was 79.23. My average is 79.34. Alright, guys, I stopped. My exit was 79.13. Now I am going to keep an eye on this into that 78 level because it's starting to speed up a little bit here. You can see there's plenty of levels down there that I think if we slam down there, we're gonna have a good chance of bouncing. So I'm gonna keep this on my screen and revisit. Guys, I'm long MU here, just risking the lows.
MU.
I know we're still under yesterday's low, but I feel like we push over that. That's the trigger, and I don't want to be chasing it through. I'd rather have some on here to find risk. Guys, I sold a little MU, half my MU right there in case we stuff this breakdown level. My sale was 89.69. But we are triggering here. We got a higher low followed by a higher high. And so we'll see if we get some follow through. But just remember, if we don't hit target, it becomes a failed long trigger. And so under the lows, you're not going to want to, well, I won't want to stick around. I added MU. What did I get? 89.11s I added.
What's your average?
It may tick down. 1 second. It may tick down here below where I said I was gonna stop. I'm gonna keep this one on for a second and let this flush. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, the kills had a
market's
flush. Yeah.
My average is 89.19.
Okay.
Guys, I cut MU in half there. 88.94. Still keeping a piece on though, just in case this thing wants to just reclaim and get back up in there. But it did trigger the stop. I wanted to give it a second to see what it was going to do. It's still acting a bit heavy here, so size down, and we'll keep an eye on it here.
I bought some MU here, 89.52.
Yee!
Yeah, 89.52 long MU. Let's see if I get up. I'm selling for a point. Market, you see the SPY going over the closing price here. This thing may push now, so I just bought some more. I stopped MU.
You're out. Okay.
Still 88.75 for a fill.
I'm actually buying some AQB because of the Kramer thing, and I'm gonna keep buying throughout the day. I started 790. This is like throughout the day because of Kramer, okay? AQB. I'm long at 790, and I'm gonna keep buying if it goes 760, 750. This intraday, I'm gonna sell into the close or 6:30 tonight when it comes to the show. I'm adding now, and I did mention I'm not swinging AQB. I'm selling into the show, which is 6:30 tonight. Normally these guys, they have the tendency of running into the close as the word gets out more and more. There's going to be on the show, so I really think I believe I'll get 830, 820 to 830, and my target of my sell is going to be lowered a little bit because my average start to get a little lower, right? I just added right now AQB, by the way. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little long here on PSTV. Screw it. I just took a small And I'm gonna add the 278, 276, just in case it pops there. Just holding at this level. Normally when they do this, they tend to kind of low bounce. So you see, but I'm adding 10 cents below too. So I just took some long BBIG 363 BBIG just because it had all this volume on that move to 470, 480. And it's just 20-30 cents for the closing price. I'm looking just for about 20 cents on BBIG. 363 long, I'm selling at 383. I just bought more BBIG at 344. Just bought more at 342. My average on BBIG is 351.